Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 625, and today's topic is a very interesting topic, and that is medicinal properties of saffron. In North India we call it jaffran, and the other name is we call it kesar. This is one of the costliest spices in the world, and it is produced in few of the countries, not globally. For example, it is produced in Greece, Spain, Italy, and in Africa it is produced in Morocco, and in Kashmir, that is in India. And it is actually the part of the flower, that is male part of the flower, stigma, where the pollen is fallen, and that stigma, the part, it is a deep red, yellowish red in color, and that is actually hand picked, and that's why in harvesting it takes lot of labor. Then in shade it is very carefully dehydrated and packed. And since it is having lot of demand and supply is very less because it's very rare in the market, and it is sold just like gold, and it has lot of medicinal importance. The first medicinal importance is that it is having anti-cancerous property. Actually, it contains one very important carotene, and that is called crocin. That crocin is responsible of its deep red color, and the other derivatives of crocin, they are also responsible of its aroma. It's having very good smell, and then other one is for its taste. So in Indian preparation, our biryani or kormas, lot of Mughlai dishes, very expensive dinner and all, few crunches of saffron, jaffran is added, so it can give very good flavor and color. Also, in place of synthetic color for deep yellow color or red color, we are using jaffran, that is saffron, and it is very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So because of this reason, it can protect us from cancerous cell growth, malignancy, and it can protect especially from leukemia, from colon cancer, breast cancer. So overall, it is very effective from medicinal point of view to control the cancer. Secondly, it is a very good medicine for the girls who are not developing in their puberty age, because it is a very good stimulant of sex hormone. So if the girls are underdeveloped in her puberty age, you just put few crunch of jaffran in milk and let her drink every day, and all her female sex hormone, that is progesterone, will be stimulated and everything will become normal. The same thing is happening to male sex hormone also. Those who are having the problem of libido, or for male sex problem, it also stimulates the testosterone, that is called male sex hormone. Just in the same way, take few crunch of saffron in the milk in the night and drink it, and it will stimulate your the testosterone, that is called male sex hormone. It is also very good for stomach disorder, and also if you have some inflammation anywhere in any part of the body. It controls. It is also very good for our general immune system. It helps in fighting bacteria and virus, especially when somebody is suffering from cold or cough. Just add few crunch of saffron in the milk and give them. It will suppress the viral attack. So it has lot of medicinal benefit. So here let me explain. You know this one. This is crocin. Is having this structure with two carboxylic group, and this is the main constituent of saffron, and that's why saffron is super spices and costliest one. And in the world, the Spanish and Kashmiri, that is Indian, saffron is one of the best one. And it is actually, this structure is responsible for very shining reddish yellow color of saffron. And this structure, when it is a form of glycoside, because with this oxygen glucose is attached, and it is called picrocrocin, is a derivative of that crocin, and this is responsible for the taste. It gives very good taste, and that taste of saffron, that is saffron, kesar, is responsible for taste. And this compound, that is called saffronal. This saffronal is a substance which is aromatic and which gives a very good smell. So this structure compound is responsible of its very good smell. So these three compounds are there. One is responsible for very good color, the other one is responsible for very good taste, and this one is responsible for very good smell. So, as I have already told you, that saffron is a very good stimulant, especially for sex hormones, and it is also very good anti-inflammatory. That's why it helps in Parkinson disease, and also it helps in enhancing or improving the memory, because it can also stimulate the nerve or brain cells, and also it can stimulate the serotonin and dopamine. So it is very good for your mood also, and it is also helpful for those people who are having baldness. It is effective in the growth of hair. So all these properties I have already given and I have written here. So the botanical name of saffron, that is kesar, is Crocus sativus, and it belongs to family Iridaceae, or we can say also Liliaceae. And number one, it is powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory because it is having water-soluble carotene, and that water-soluble carotene is called crocin, and that crocin in different derivatives is responsible of its very good golden orange color, a very good taste, and very good aroma, smell. And then it may improve the mood and treat depression. It has cancer fighting properties. I have already told you, I have just written here. Number two, saffron, kesar, is a small bulbous perennial spice, a member of lily family, and it is stigma, that is male part of the flower saffron. That male part is actually plucked and it is collected in a very sophisticated way and by personal hand labor. That's why it is very costly. And stigma part of flower which catches pollen is hand picked. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in one. It is sold just like gold in a small packet, and it makes our food delicious with very good smell, very good taste, and very good medicinal properties. At the moment, saffron is commercially produced in the following countries. First number goes to Spain, Iran, Greece, Italy, and in Africa, that is Morocco, and in Kashmir, that is in India, it is produced. Number 3, protects against cancer. Saffron contains dark orange color carotene, which is water soluble, and that carotene is responsible for golden color. It has ability to inhibit the malignant cells, and also it will not allow the formation of abnormal cancer cell, and it can protect from these cancers: leukemia, ovarian cancer, carcinoma, and colon cancer. Number 4, it promotes memory retention. So if you are taking few pinch of saffron in milk, your memory will be enhanced, and your memory will be retained for a longer time, and it also protects you from Parkinson's disease, that is related to your nerve. So it can activate your nerve cells also. That is very important medicinal property, and it can also protect you from memory loss and from inflammation. Number 5, it helps in delayed puberty, that I have already told you, that it will stay if there is a delayed puberty in girls where it is underdeveloped. If you take few pinch of saffron in milk, those girls, and then it will stimulate the female sex hormone, that is called progesterone, and the delayed underdeveloped puberty will be normal. It also helps in low libido, those who are not having desire of having sex. So it can also stimulate the male sex hormone, that is called testosterone, and people will be having the desire for sex because of stimulation. So actually this one is used to stimulate the sexual power of male and female both, because it can stimulate both hormones. And number 7, it helps to induce hair growth. I have already told you that if somebody who is having baldness, if they regularly use, and all this, the saffron is only used few pinch, you put it your milk, shake it and drink it in 1 cup or 1 glass. That is the remedy for this. So it can induce the hair growth. And number 8, it can protect against cold. It is very good antiviral. So if you have any viral attack, that is called common cold, if you take in hot tea or hot milk, few pinch of this saffron, jaffran, it will drastically reduce the viral attack, and also it is responsible of boosting your immune system. So during this COVID-19 year, it is very much helpful in getting away from coronavirus. If we are taking it, our immune system will be boosted. And number 9, it is excellent replacement of synthetic food color. So it is also very good, golden orange color, beautiful color. By the addition of saffron, it is very much useful, and we can avoid the synthetic colors, and those synthetic colors sometimes they are toxic, and also it has very important role to activate the WBC to fight the virus and bacteria. So what is happening if you take few pinch of saffron in milk, it will activate WBC, that is the army of our body, and they will be stimulated to fight incoming virus and bacteria or any pathogen. So This is the medicinal property of saffron. So, if you can afford, since jaffran, that is saffron or kesar, is very very costly. So, if you can afford, you please regularly add in your diet, either in your drink or in your food, because it is having lot of medicinal as well as health benefit, especially to young, where they have the problem of libido or the problem of delayed puberty. So thank you very much once again.